purchased this here high quality product for £30 off eBay. And as you can see, it's well, what happened is I sat on it and then leaned back a little bit vigorously, and then I went through this bit like that, and well, it's a piece of crap, isn't it, really? So I bought another one, and I want to see if it is as difficult to build as this one was, because this was dreadful. This is all rubbish that you get with it. I'm drinking vodka while I'm doing this, so this will go well. And I'm going to try and do it without instructions, because I'm a man and I will not be defeated by this rubbish. So, hang on. Why are they taped up? They've taped up one of the bolt holes. For God's sake. The B hole is... The B hole's been taped up. 6mm Allen key, which according to the piece of paper there, is supplied. You don't fucking say. I've got it in my hand. I bought this from Argos also, by the way. The first time I've been in Argos in a very long time. And they've supplied me with spare parts on my mid-back gaming chair numbers. Anyway, do you know, I think I'm going to have to go and get the instructions. Oh, I'm useless. Right. Oh, I'm going to need vodka for this, Jesus. I hate building fucking furniture. It's my least favourite thing in the world. If I'd have just bought the, like, slightly more expensive one in the first place, though, instead of trying to be cheap, I would have had to do this only once, and it would have cost me £30 less than it has at the moment. So, for God's sake. Push all the 5 casters. Step 1, push all the 5 casters, 1 into the underside of the base, 2. Okay? I'm going to put the wheels on. I think I'm capable of that. Oh God, no, maybe not. Hang on a minute. Ah, shit. What the fucking hell are these made of? Okay. I've got that one in. And that one. Yeah, look at this. Look at that. I am good at this. I can build stuff. Because I am a man and I'm incredible. Insert the gas lift 3 into the base 2. Right, okay. How long does this go? Okay. It's all falling apart. Oh, okay. Yeah, and then... Beautiful, look at that. Note, ensure the gas lift is fully inserted and well fitted. I think it is. Step 2. Fitting the seat cushion. Use bolts A with washer D. Oh crap. You look at this, it's almost as if I'm an engineer. I am the best person ever to do anything. I am quite literally Jesus Christ. I feel like an instructional video. What you do is you take the bolts and you put them in the fucking seat, and then you tighten the fucking seat bolts up, and then sit on it and make sure it doesn't fall over. And now you are fully qualified in seat building, and here is your certificate. Come on, you bitch. Oh, come on, you bitch. Note, it would be useful to ask someone to help you at this stage. What, mentally or otherwise? I don't even know. I am a strong, independent chairboy, and I do not need no chairwoman in my life. Fitting the backrest with seat. Use bolt B with washer... What? Oh, bugger. There's 2 different size washers, and I might have accidentally used the right washers on that last one. Hopefully. Use bolts B with washer E to fit the back 6 onto the seat plate 5. This is where I might need someone to help me, but there is no one here. You should feel sorry for me. Oh god, oh dear. Oh fuck. This is why you need a girlfriend, just for building furniture, I'll be honest, because this is... Oh god. Oh shit, what, bolt bead. Oh fuck. Oh dear. I'm getting indigestion off this chair. Oh shit, we're getting threads in. We're getting threads in. Come on boys. Look at me, I am so handy and useful. Wrench up, you bitch. Wrench, get in the hole. I'm actually sweating now. This is how much I hate. I just hate building flat pack furniture stuff. Just give me the chair. I will take the hit on the big box. I don't care about the big box. Just give me it in a box. And then I can take it out of the box and put it in my house. And use it. Seats on. And I put that on there. And then look at that. Okay. I mean, it's not done. What's the next step, Sensei? Flip the armrest up and use bolt C to fix the armrest. So put the bolts in the armrest. Okay. Get in there, you bitch. Yeah, look at that. Armrest is in the hole. Look at that, now that is just beautiful. I've decided I'm going to do the other side by myself, so look at my half-finished chair. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you for watching. Check out my merchandise in the link below, and also my Twitter and Instagram if you really want to see me do anything else after this complete shit show. Okay, bye for now.